Welcome. In this session, we will talk about sustainable forest management. Now, sustainable forest management is a simple method where we are trying to conserve the forest resources for the future generations to come. And here, we would be focusing on the benefits and the limitations of a sustainable forest management. Now, the benefit definitely includes ecological benefit, where we are trying to reduce the amount of deforestation, maintain conservation of soil and water, flora and fauna, the biodiversity, and reduce any kind of climate change induced disasters in the forest areas. The next talks about the economic benefit. Here we definitely are able to maintain the supply chain, specifically with minor forest produce, and this can be extended. Also, the tribals and the natives in the local area can have their economy and livelihood. The next is community benefits. Of course, for recreational purposes, for culture, for leisure, there can be areas which can be well designated within the forest areas. Legal policies talk about maintaining the contributions for the environmental goal, better transparency and governance, and finally, monitoring the forestry resources with technological and innovational opportunities. Under the limitations, we definitely have numerous limitations as of now. With rising urban infrastructure and the pace of development, there has been a significant impact on the forest areas. This has led to deforestation, damage to biodiversity, more of pollution in the form of soil pollution, water pollution. The indigenous communities are being displaced in the sake of development. So, engaging with their rights, resolving the conflicts that they are facing, and bringing in more awareness are some of the social challenges. Institutional and governance challenges focus mainly on the kind of corruption and the regulatory frameworks which are into existence, focusing on how the data is collected, the monitoring system, the remote sensing GISs, the glitches with the same, and the lack of manpower, the trained manpower is another major issue. And then we focus on the economic challenges, which is the competition from the unsustainable practices, financing initiatives, and the international trade and policy framework. So those were some of the key things that we have discussed under sustainable forest management. Of course, we'll be covering more important topics for you related to forest and agriculture. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day.